Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your YouTube short is not working, don't worry about it. In this video I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till then and follow my step. When short YouTube is not working, then long press on the YouTube app and go to the app info. Now click on storage and cache. Now clear cache and clear storage. After doing this step, again log in your YouTube account and check the problem. If it persists, then next is check your internet connection. If you have a proper internet connection, then go to the Play Store and search here YouTube and check for update. Is update is available, then update it. Otherwise follow the next step. Next is uninstall and reinstall YouTube app. So by this way you can fix the problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.